Wow, who's this boy? Got the page. Found it! His name... Sorry, take two. Found it! His name is FRAZZEL! After this yokai inspires someone, he makes them say requests and other weird stuff at the worst possible time. While he does that, he collects the lightning from the shocks that his father, along with anyone else that he comes in contact with, to say stuff like that. Oh, hold on. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
He collects the lightning from other people he comes across, along with lightning storms. Here's Frazzle's body. He has a cousin named Static Kid. His mother's name is Mama Aura, and his father's name is Papa Bolt. What a great family these guys are. Here's his spear. It's true what they say. Family comes first. Here's his pants. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Frazzle from Yokai Watch 2. Get ready. He's gonna look for more. He's gonna hunt down for more lightning soon. I better stay clear of him. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Good night.